the Painting Baby Hand channel.
Hi everyone and welcome. Today I am coloring a cute little mermaid. Are you ready? Let's start coloring by her face. First I'll color her face with skin color and her body. Now I'll tell you a story about Little Mermaid. Story name Luna, the Luminous Mermaid. In the depth of the ocean, a mermaid named Luna shone brightly. Her tail sparkled like diamonds, illuminating the darkest water. Luna's voice was mesmerizing, capable of calming storms and charming sea creatures. She sang to her best friend, a wise octopus named Ollie. One day, a shipwreck trapped sailors beneath the waves. Luna and Ollie rushed to rescue them. Luna's songs guide the sailors to safety, and Ollie used his tentacles to free them. The sailors told tales of Luna's heroism, and soon people from far and wide came to hear her enchanting voice. Luna's kindness and talent inspire harmony between human and sea creatures, transforming the ocean into a heaven of wonder. The end. How do you like this story? Tell me in the comments, please. I am coloring her beautiful hair. I am coloring her chest with green color. Purple color. Light green color I am coloring in her tail. Brown color I am coloring in stone. Blue color I am coloring the ocean with blue color. This mermaid sat on stone.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color I am coloring the water bubble. Yellow color I am coloring the starfish with peach color. I am coloring the sea plants with green color. I am coloring her cheeks with pink color. I am coloring the water bubbles and her eyes with sky blue color. I am coloring the fish flying in the air. Yellow color, green color. I am coloring its face. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye bye.